This week I'm testing the GWM Canon Dual Cab Ute, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is it's super spacious back here. There are only 2 top tether anchorages and Isofix, so you can only install 2 infant-secure child seats back here using those, but a versatile folding booster seat would fit in this central seat, and I can fit in here too. And the legroom is fantastic. We could fit a 186cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. Number 2 is the Canon has fantastic rear view cameras. You can turn on and off using a button on the dash as well. And there's a USB port behind the rear view mirror, which is fantastic for plugging in your dash cam as well. Number 3 is the Canon Ute has rear aircon vents to keep everybody nice and comfortable back there. It also has a full safety suite, including airbags for rear passengers too. We have loved our week with the Canon Ute. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.